Is your Dodge Journey key fob refusing to unlock the doors? The most common culprits are a dead or weak battery, synchronization issues, or problems with the door module. Start by replacing the CR232 battery in your key fob. A weak signal can prevent unlocking, so ensure the new battery is a quality brand and tests above 3 volts with a multimeter. If a new battery doesn't solve the problem, the fob may have lost synchronization with the vehicle's body control module. Consider RF interference from smartphones or other devices as a potential temporary cause. Before proceeding, inspect the key cylinder for wear. If manual unlocking works fine, focus on the electronic components. If a battery replacement doesn't work, resynchronize your key fob. Try cycling the ignition key by turning it to the on position 5 times within 10 seconds. Refer to your owner's manual for specific programming instructions, as some models require pressing the lock-unlock buttons in a sequence. If resyncing fails, the power door module, often integrated into the BCM, might be faulty. Symptoms include the fob locking but not unlocking, or no response at all. Check for corroded wiring or blown fuses related to the door module. For persistent issues, use an OBD2 scanner to check for BCM error codes like U1400. If a BCM replacement is needed, expect costs between $500 and $1,000 at a repair shop, but remember that many Dodge Journey issues resolve with basic troubleshooting.